during these shoots, and for a lot of us, we get so busy and tied up into the thing that you're doing. And now you'd say you're supplying content and you're just doing content constantly. And that's what I was doing, shooting constantly. And I knew that I wasn't going to work on my portfolio unless I really put the effort behind it. So I started adopting this one for me mentality. So no matter what I was doing, if I was shooting, I would shoot the thing that I was paid to do. But I would continuously and all along the way, I would shoot something for myself. So I would do the thing I was paid to do, and then I would do something for me. I just kind of adopted this because I knew that if I didn't do it, it wasn't going to happen. I wasn't going to put something new or future work into the portfolio. For instance, so I would get paid to do a music project like this. Now, these guys were called the Dempseys, and they were the backing band for Elvis in Walk the Line. But they were a fantastic rockabilly band, and I shot them many times, worked with them for a number of years, and did album covers and publicity and stuff like that. But I would shoot something like this for them, but then I would shoot something like that for me. And so the whole time I'm developing this portfolio, but I'm working solid constantly all the time. And it was just difficult to try to like test shoot or hire people and hire models and do this kind of stuff after I got busy. So I did this type of thing.